One Nkoye Chilinazeli Otago. Listen, I hate interviews. The lion Odu Ebeko Duneje. Are you sick? You guys can be enjoying the drama, but I hate it when you say Nadia Azubi go collect power, Nadia blows, Naim blows. Thunder that will fire you will come from Adamawa. Are you stupid? I'm not denying he's my friend way back no to Onitsha. You don't see me go there they pray. Now my guy, not be my pastor. I don't be stupid. I know they go church. I don't belong to any church. I'm a more of a spiritual person, not a religious blah blah blah. So I hate it when you tag me in your unnecessary drama, especially Tunde Ednord. Are you stupid? Why do you enjoy promoting unnecessary drama? Don't you see Paul's Niger and Instablog, the things they promote? What are you? You're a fool. So I'm saying this thing because of my fans. Listen, if you say that Odumeje Lion Bizubi pastor I ain't give you power, that means you are a fool and you are insulting God. He is my guy, my housewarming. This guy can spray 1.something million ginger. He invite me in birthday, I go there, spray 500k because said this brand. Are you sick? Stop that nonsense. He's my friend, not my pastor. I hate interviews. I'm saying this because of the love and respect I have for my fans, and they're saying like a pastor be that they go church. Now, sure I go, guy. If you pay me, I will come your own show. He's my friend, not my pastor. Stop all